Today in this video, I'm going to show you the two indicators from my website fxmentorus.com. If you go and check the description of this video, you will find our website link. Okay, guys. So this is my bestseller. This is my second bestseller. That is the bank selling order and the bank buying order indicator. And it basically it's a very good tool to find out the trends, and also you will know that from where possibly the market can get a reversal. As you can see, this is the euro AUD 3-minute chart, and you can see this is the bank selling level and this is the bank buying order, and the market can exactly react from these places. Okay, if I show you the picture here. Okay, and now let me change my time frame because I want to show a better time frame. And let's go to, okay, so let's take an example of the 5 minute on euro AUD. As you can see, we have the bank selling order. Now you can see what happened. The price exactly fell down from here, and that was the interesting move from the indicator. And similarly, if you go back, then you can see from the bank buying order we have received the upward momentum. And when there is a dotted green line with the bank buying order, so these type of levels are very strong. Let me show you more examples. Okay, now you can see here, if you just look at Great Britain pound JPY, then you can see it has already received the rejection exactly from the bank selling level. Okay, let's go to gold. Okay, if you just look at this picture, gold has just moved up from the bank buying order, plus we have the dotted green line. Okay, so what happens if the price give a close below the bank's buying order? It's a clear message that the market is weak, and now it can target the lower bank buying order. So this is the very interesting fact that this indicator has controlled this fact, because mostly guys are using the bank the levels very wrong, and these levels are based on the banks and the big institutions. If you just look at this on a Great Britain pound USD, you can see exactly from the bank buying order plus the dotted green line, the price is simply moving up, and previously we have the drop exactly from here. So this is how this indicator works. Even euro USD is going up, and let me show you more examples. Like go to pound AUD, you can see from the bank selling level we have just received the rejection. Okay, Great Britain pound CAD, you can see exactly it is at the bank buying level, but we don't have the dotted green line here, and we must need it for a stronger confirmation. Okay, AUD JPY just above the bank buying order, it has moved up. Let's go to AUD CAD. It's targeting the top level. And what about this? About the red dotted line? It's not a resistance line. It basically shows you that if the price is closed above the dotted red line, it's a buy signal for you. And if the price crosses below the dotted green line, it's a sell signal for you. Let me show you more examples where you can see. Okay, just look at this part. The price was closed below the dotted green line. So what you have seen, it shows the weakness of the market. You can see the price is down. So how you can book this interesting indicator? That's very fine. You can go to fxmentorus.com. Just read all details about this indicator on the second, the bank buying and selling order details here. And you can use contact us option for Telegram. You can email us, and also our WhatsApp support number is also provided in the description of this video below. Now let's review our second indicator, that is called the big players indicator, and this is the very interesting indicator. Okay, and okay, let me first of all let me show you that this player indicator consists of three type of depths. And we first of all we are going to depth 1. Okay, if you go to depth 1, you will find three levels: blue, green, and the red one. Okay, so these above the blue levels we are looking for a buy opportunities, and above the green we are looking for the buying opportunities, and below the red level we are looking for the selling opportunities. So how this possible? This is very possible. Let me show you with the practical examples. Let me open any chart. Okay, okay, just you can see here, but actually we use this indicator on the depth 2 because we are more interested in doing a proper swing trading. Okay, now you can see on the depth 2, the market has reached to the top red level. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you are going to plan your sell positions exactly from here. No, we don't use this indicator in this way. Okay, how we use, that's a very simple method. You can see, first of all let's find the all 3 points. Okay, Now you can see the market touched the blue level, and similarly we are not supposed to take a buy position exactly from here. What we were supposed to do, we will be looking for the two moving averages, because if you count these moving averages, they are four in number. So we will wait for the two moving averages to cross over with each other, and what we will do, we will set up our stop loss just below that level or slightly below, and this is our stop loss, and we will enter into the swing trade. Now you can see what happened. The market exactly targeted this one, okay, this green level, and after that you can see the market wants to stay up, and it retested the green level, and then you can see it's up, and finally you can see it touched the red level. And now once the price action is below the all moving averages, then we will start working on the selling positions, okay. So for example, this is the buying, and the market is coming from the lower side. Let's go to another chart. Let's see what's happening on the charts. Okay. It doesn't it touched the red level, yes. Okay, now you can see it touched the red level, and then you wait for the crossover for the moving averages, and then you can target the next the green level, okay. So this is how this indicator will keep on plotting the levels for you, and this is the extra smart indicator because it automatically tells you that where you can potentially do it. Okay, now just look at this, just look at the Bitcoin. Okay, the Bitcoin exactly started to go up from the blue level, it touched the green level, and then the price was below the all moving averages, and then it again targeted the lower level. And right now we will only take a buy position if the price continues to cross above the moving averages. Otherwise we will not take a buy position, and this is the smartest rule. Okay, now just look at this one. This is most interesting. Okay, now you can see the upper level is at the top, and the blue is the lower level, and you can see the moving averages actually crossed with each other here. Okay, now they are actually going with the intention to target this level that you can see at the green at the top here. Now from here to anywhere where you get a decent profit, you can simply exit your trade. So guys, similarly you can book the big players indicator and the bank indicator exactly from our website fxmentorus.com. You can contact on Telegram, email. Otherwise our WhatsApp support number is also provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.